What's up with y'all? We got another one. We back. And we working on the hatch today. Like I said in the last video, she primes now. It was the main relay. I'll show y'all a little bit of how to diagnose this stuff if you have this issue. On my Honda frames out there. Got some wiring, got the wiring diagram and all that stuff, but yep, freaking took it to school, tested it, it was cool. Took the bad one out, put the good one in, and it primes now. So we doing some errands for the car today. Gonna chop this down so this fits in here properly, and then we can mount the battery to it. I'm gonna grab a new fuel filter, and then we gotta change the oil, drain and get some fresh fuel in here. And then I just got a couple little finishing things to do up here with the turbo stuff, and hopefully start it today. So I'm about to run to Home Depot, get some buckets to drain this fuel into, and then we're gonna run to AutoZone and see if they got a fuel filter. So I'll see y'all in a second.
Later that same evening.
Alright, we got buckets. Hopefully these are not too tall, and I don't gotta jack the car up stupid high. So I'm on my way home. My brother Arms is coming to help me do this shit, and hopefully we can start the hatch today. So stay tuned. I'll see y'all next time. Alright, so we got a couple things to do to get this thing ready, but I guess I'll start with this leak down here. I don't know if y'all can see on this flange, but got some oil. It's not super bad, but we don't want any leaks near anything hot. That's how fire starts. So I'm gonna put some gasket maker on that flange, and that should be good to go. I already put thread sealant on this, and I think, yeah, that's good too. No leaks, but you can see the fucking the oil dripping down there. That's from the flange up top. Once that's done, check everything else. Put thread sealant back here too for the feed line. So I really don't got too much to do as far as sealing any fluid lines, because I didn't really take too much off. Then we gotta check the wastegate, make sure everything is good with that. Bolt the turbo back up all the way, and this side will really be done. It's really not a lot, so let's get to it.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Sit on this and make a mess. This is the fire ring. It goes in here like so. I'm not sure exactly what it does, but I know it's supposed to be in there. I didn't have it in there at first because it made it easier for me to mock up the wastegate without it. Because for those of you who put wastegates on before, you know that spring tension can be pretty high, and trying to do it with one hand, try to do it by yourself is pretty hard. So I didn't put it on yet, but now it's on. So gotta freaking put this thing in there, hook this up, hook my lines up, and then should be good to go. Alright, wastegate's all plumbed up. Turbo is pretty much set up now. We're about to jack the car up. Freaking, like I said, drain everything. I'm gonna take the fuel pump out, check the filter, swap it, and we should be trying to turn this thing over. the handy dandy bay light. Yeah. So, gotta get under here. Freaking hit this freaking drain plug. It's probably gonna be pretty tight on there. And then show y'all the exhaust. I've seen this already. But out here, this fucking, that flange gets caught on something, so I'm gonna turn it, probably gonna turn it to where it's facing up, and then that should clear most stuff. Car is super low, so it's not gonna clear a lot, but it'll clear most. So yeah, that's where we at. Finna drain this oil too. Y'all should know how to drain your oil. Don't ask questions. Fuel drain 93. So sad. All a waste. I fixed that clamp down there. Rotated it so it's not pointing toward the ground anymore. And there's oil in here now. So just gotta take the fuel pump out for the filter. Where's my flashlight? Yeah. So just gotta get back here. Take that out. Take the filter out. Get a new filter. Put some gas in it, and we'll be good to go. So yeah, this is it. Probably might finish this up tonight if I can. If not, tomorrow. So thanks for hanging out with me and the boy Armando, who's gone now. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Peace out, y'all.